So this is a question on log. We are given 9 to the power log x square minus 3x minus 13 to the base 9. This is given as x minus 1. So what happens is, if you have a to the power log b to the base c, then you can interchange a and b. The answer doesn't change. The value that this LHS is going to have will not change. So we are going to use this particular property to bring the expression in x as the base. So I can bring this x square minus 3x minus 13 in the base and take this 9 instead of the expression over there. So the power changes to log 9 to the base 9, and that is equal to x minus 1 given to us. Now log 9 to the base 9 is 1. So now we have a quadratic, which is going to be x square minus 3x minus x is minus 4x, minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12 is equal to 0. This will give us x minus 6 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. And this is going to give us the value of x as minus 2 and 6. Now the question asked is, what is the sum of real roots? So we have got two roots, which is minus 2 and 6. We need to add them. But there is always a trick, almost always a trick in the case of log. Whenever you get the values of any variable, you need to put those values back in the given question. And you need to see that if it is perfectly fine. Because in the log, you can't have a negative value here. In log, you can't have a negative value even here. Not allowed. Either of these two are not allowed. You can't even have 1 in the base, as in you can't even have a 1. So these are the three conditions which are not allowed, not permitted in log. So if I put minus 2 back, I will have minus 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 13, which is 4 minus, and this is minus 2, right? So 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 13 is minus 3. If I put x is equal to minus 2, I will have a minus 3 over here. In log, negative is not allowed. So because of this, minus 2 is discarded. Because we got the answer as minus 2. Question is like, I will not take it. Next, we need to put the value of 6. If we put the value of 6, we will have 6 square minus 3 into 6 minus 13, which is going to be 36 minus 18 minus 13, which is going to be 31. So this changes to 5. 5 is perfectly fine. We will have no issue on either side. So we can only have 6 as an acceptable value of x. Since we have only one value, the sum of real roots will remain 6.